Hi there. So I just wanted to talk about the difference between paying life insurance through your company or out of your own pocket. It amazes me that most people are actually paying it out of their own pocket, and they end up paying pretty much double after you take taxes and national insurance into account than if they paid it through their company. And I just want to sort of demonstrate this, just to run over the numbers. And this particularly applies to people who own their company. So for example, they are a consultant, a contractor, a property investor with a property investment company. So anyone who owns their own company that employs them, and then they pay themselves a salary or dividend, that's a really bad thing to do, because you're paying basically double. So I'll just go through the numbers. Supposing you pay £100 a month for life insurance, just to keep things easy numbers. If that premium comes out of your company, £100 a month, you basically save £90 corporation tax. So the net cost to your company is £81 a month. Now, if you are a higher rate taxpayer and you're paying 40% tax a month, then you're effectively paying £159 a month, which is pretty much double if you pay it through the company. And this is what most people are doing. So this is crazy. This is how we can help you shift your policy and pay it through your company. So I'll just go through the numbers. To do a £100 premium, so you'd have to have gross pay of 172, take off 40% income tax, 69, 2% employees national insurance, that's £3. So you get £100 net pay, which you pay your life insurance premium with. And in addition to that, there's employers' national insurance, which the company has to pay, which is sort of pretty much, a lot of people forget about that, but it's 13.8% of your gross pay, which is 172, which is about £24. So the gross cost to your company is 196, and then of course you do get, we would save a bit of corporation tax on that, so £37 corporation tax. So the net cost to your company is basically £159, whereas you could be only paying £81 if you pay it through your company. So please consider switching to the type of life insurance which you can pay it through a company and pay through your company instead. You save a lot of tax and national insurance, and I can help go through the numbers, and my associate can just set it all up for you. That's all for now. Bye.